Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for a great way to get an effective workout at home or on the go, I highly recommend checking out this set of resistance bands.
I primarily got this set of resistance bands by Alllvocles to help me work on my chin-ups and my pull-ups at home. So they're great to use for that if you do have a pull-up bar. They're super easy to just go ahead and wrap around the bar, and then they give you that support as you are working on pull-ups or chin-ups. These are awesome. They come in this set of 4 that I have here. So they have a different strength behind each one, different resistance. They're nice and thick and they are really great quality. So they're super, super durable. I love to use these too for mobility as part of my warm up before a workout. You can also use them to work on strength in different parts of the body. They're very, very simple to use, great for tricep work. Again, if you have a pull up bar, but even if you don't, you can use something as an anchor and you're able to get a fantastic workout. They roll up so easily and compact. They take up very, very little space and they're super easy to travel with. They all fit right into a bag that they come with, which I think is super, super convenient.
There's so much I'm able to accomplish with these resistance bands. I love having these as part of my home gym, and I highly recommend checking them out if you are looking to add to your resistance training, but that's just my point of view.